औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। ग्रामर वर्क क्लास 7th इंग्लिश। टॉपिक आज जो हमारा है प्यारे बच्चों, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विथ फ्रेजल वर्ब्स। फ्रेजल वर्ब्स हमें ब्लैंक्स के अंदर भरने हैं। अपनी टेक्स्ट का पेज नंबर 89 आप खोलिए। Grammar work. Read the following extract from the story. Kizia's mother would call to her, if you are a good girl, you can come down and take off father's boots. Kizia's mother would call to her. Kizia की माँ किजिया से कहती थी, if you are a good girl, you can come down. Underline हो शामती करना. You can come down and take off father's boots. The underlined set of words are phrasal verbs. It's a phrasal verb. Come down and take off father's boots. It's phrasal verb. The underlined set of words are phrasal verbs. A phrasal verb consists of a verb plus a particle. Consists of a verb plus a particle, that is preposition or adverb or something both. Preposition or adverb or something both. A phrasal verb usually conveys a meaning. A phrasal verb usually conveys a meaning. A phrasal verb usually conveys a meaning different from that of the verb. Different from that of the verb. The above phrasal verbs mean called aloud. The above phrasal verbs mean called aloud, come downstairs and remove respectively. Umtishi phrasal verbs. Now fill in the blanks in the following sentences with suitable phrasal verbs from those given below. Make necessary changes in the tense of the verb. Look for, look through, look after, blow out, pull off, give up, look at, push open, hurry up, fill with. This phrasal verbs look for, look through, yim sari yotain to asham barin. I am dash admiration for his bravery. I am dash admiration for his bravery. Dash it's getting late. She dash the door of the driving room. तो ये जो है हमें करने हैं, आप देखिए टेक्स्ट बुक में. अब हम बोर्ड का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. प्यारे बच्चों, द लिटिल गर्ल फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विथ फ्रेजल वर्ब्स. यही जो मैंने आप अभी पढ़ा. I am dash with admiration for his bravery. I am filled with admiration for his bravery. Sentence number 2. Dash it is getting late. Hurry up, jaldi karo. Hurry up, it's getting late. दूसरे में आएगा hurry up. Phrasal verb जो आएगा hurry up, it is getting late. I am filled with admiration for his bravery. I am filled with admiration for his bravery. Hurry up, it is getting late. Sentence number 3. She opened the door of the driving room. She opened the door of the driving room. Driving room को उसने दरवाजा खोला. Sentence number 4. Look at the blackboard. The teacher said to the students. Look at the blackboard. Blackboard की तरफ देखो. The teacher said to the student. Sentence number 5 जो है, he has given up smoking. Give up हो गया तर्क करना, छोड़ देना. He has given up smoking. उसने अब सिगरेट नोशी छोड़ दी. The little girl was ordered to pull off the boots of her father. The little girl was ordered to pull off. The little girl was ordered to pull off the boots of her father.